Hey everyone, welcome back to Design Talk. I'm Alice, and today we're tackling one of the most overlooked spaces in our homes, the hallway.
Hi, Alice. Yes, the humble hallway, often neglected but used every single day. It's where organization and design truly intersect.
Exactly. It's the first thing guests see and the last space we interact with before leaving home. So let's start with why hallways matter.
Architectural Digest calls them the arteries of the home. They connect zones, influence flow, and set the emotional tone when you walk in.
That's a great way to see it. Design as energy flow. So how do we manage clutter in this high-traffic area?
Begin with function zoning. The National Association of Home Builders suggests dividing hallways into entry, transition, and exit areas, each with a defined role.
That's smart. Even in small apartments, zoning helps keep shoes, coats, and keys from blending into chaos.
Right, and vertical storage is essential. Use floating shelves, wall-mounted hooks, or slim cabinetry. IKEA's 2024 home report found vertical solutions save up to 35% of usable space.
That's impressive. What about flooring? It often takes the most wear.
Great question. Opt for durable materials like tile or vinyl. Better Homes and Gardens recommends darker tones with pattern runners to hide dirt while adding warmth.
That's both stylish and sensible. And lighting? Hallways tend to be darker zones.
Indeed, the Lightning Research Center found that layered lighting, wall sconces, plus ceiling fixtures improves navigation and mood perception.
So we can mix functionality and atmosphere. What about mirrors? They seem perfect for narrow hallways.
Absolutely. Decor calls mirrors space multipliers. Placing one opposite a light source visually doubles the area.
Genius. And color choices? Some hallways feel cramped due to poor palette decisions.
Light, reflective hues work wonders. According to Farrow and Ball's design guide, soft neutrals like schoolhouse white make tight spaces feel breathable.
I love that. Serenity through simplicity. But what about storage furniture? Should we minimize or multitask?
Multifunctional wins every time. A slim console table with drawers or a bench with hidden storage keeps essentials within reach without clutter.
Speaking of benches, seating can be both decorative and practical.
Exactly. Designers at Studio McGee often use built-in benches with pull-out drawers. They create rhythm and order visually.
Nice! Now, small items like keys or sunglasses often disappear. Any hacks for those?
Use wall-mounted trays, magnetic key holders, or catch-all bowls. Organization expert Julie Morgenstern calls it micro-storage, smart containment for everyday chaos.
I love that concept. Tiny systems for big results. What about seasonal gear? Coats, umbrellas, winter shoes?
Decorative baskets or labeled bins work great. Good Housekeeping recommends transparent containers for quick visual access.
That's efficient. And labels are a visual memory tool. Perfect for families.
Precisely. Plus, rotating seasonal items keeps your hallway adaptable and visually light.
You mentioned rhythm earlier. How do layout and spacing influence comfort?
According to the Interior Design Handbook, maintaining clear walking paths of at least 36 inches prevents visual tension and supports natural movement. The Princeton Neuroscience Institute confirmed clutter competes for attention and increases cognitive fatigue.
So clutter doesn't just look messy. It literally stresses us out. So hallway design impacts mental clarity, not just aesthetics.
Right. Even adding greenery, like snake plants or ferns, can reduce anxiety by 20%, according to NASA's Clean Air study. And vertical planters or narrow shelves make that easy, even in tight spaces.
I love plants in hallways. They soften sharp lines and bring life into transition zones. What about scent?
Excellent point. House Beautiful suggests using diffusers near entrances. Citrus scents energize. Lavender relaxes. It shapes how you feel walking in or out.
That's such an elegant finishing touch. Now let's talk about art. How much is too much?
Scale and symmetry matter. Architectural Digest advises grouping smaller pieces into grids or triptychs instead of scattered placement.
That makes sense. Visual cohesion calms the mind.
Exactly. Even a single statement piece can define tone. Think quiet impact not gallery overload.
Hallways also serve families differently. Any tips for shared homes?
Yes. Use personalized hooks or shelves for each member. It creates ownership and prevents overlap, a trick from the Container Store's family design workshops.
That's a fantastic idea, practical and inclusive.
It's all about creating a frictionless routine. The easier it is to return things to place, the longer the system lasts.
Maintenance is key. Maybe a 2-minute tidy before bed keeps it under control.
Exactly. Consistency beats overhaul. Marie Kondo says, daily order equals daily peace.
Beautiful quote. Now, what's your take on lighting sensors or smart systems?
Love them. Smart Living Review found motion sensors cut energy use by 30% and enhance convenience in high-traffic areas. Future design blends aesthetics, wellness, and efficiency seamlessly.
That's smart sustainability. Function meeting technology. Great. So, in summary, organized hallways are about systems, not perfection.
Yes, intentional design, consistent habits, and a bit of creativity.
I couldn't agree more. Thank you, Mark. This was packed with insight.
My pleasure, Alice. Hallways might be narrow, but they hold endless potential.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Talk for more expert-backed design ideas.
See you next time, and remember, good design starts the moment you walk through the door.